Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. This is Max class. Let us discuss the previous class homework with answers. Okay. First sum: 1176 motorbikes are carried in 24 lorries. How many bikes can each lorry carry? Answer: number of bikes in one lorry is equal to 49. Second sum: in a garden, there are 26,244 trees in 12 rows. How many trees are there in each row? Answer: number of trees in one row is equal to 2,187. Okay. Students, let us do some mental sums. First sum: find the value of 500 plus 350. Students, find the answer. Students, answer is 850. Let us do another mental sum. Find the value of 230 plus 450. Students, find the answer. Let us check the answer. Answer is 680. Okay. Students, look at the picture. How many apples are there? Yes, there are 8 apples. Students, how many red apples are there? Yes, there are 5 red apples. Students, how many green apples are there? Yes, there are 3 green apples. Students, look here. Now add 3 green apples to some more red apples. We get the total number of apples, that is 8. Students, can you find the number of red apples from this picture? Yes, number of red apples is equal to 5. Students, here we find the number of red apples by counting red apples in the picture. Suppose there is no picture, how do we find the number of red apples? Think it. Yes. Subtract 3 from 8, we get 5. That is, unknown number is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Students, let us do activity. First sum: what should be added to 10 to get 20? How do we find the answer? Yes. Subtract the number 10 from 20, we get 10. Okay. Second sum: what should be added to 45 to get 65? How do we find the answer? Yes. Subtract 45 from 65, we get the answer is 20. Is it okay, children? Third sum: what should be added to 63 to get 98? How do we find the answer? Yes, subtract 63 from 98, we get the answer is 35. Is it clear, children? Example 1. The sum of two numbers is 342. If one number is 195, find the other number. Students, here the sum of two numbers means we have to add any two numbers. If we add one number and the other number, we get 342. In this problem, one number is given, that is 195. We have to find the other number. Listen, student. Add one number to the other number, we get the sum of two numbers. Okay. In this problem, one number is given, that is 195, plus we don't know the value of other number, that we have to find. So write other number is equal to sum of two number is given. What is that? Yes, that is 342. Students, let us consider one number as x and the other number as y. Sum of two numbers as z. So x plus y is equal to z. Students, if you want to find the value of y, we have to write z minus x. That is, y is equal to z minus x. If you want to find the value of x, we have to write z minus y. That is, x is equal to z minus y. Okay. In the same way, we have to find the other number for this problem. So, subtract the number 195 from 342. That is, other number is equal to 342 minus 195. Okay. Now, subtract 195 from 342. Write the numbers column wise. First, subtract 5 from 2. We can't subtract the number 5 from 2. So, borrow from the nearby places. If we borrow 1 from 10's place, 10's place becomes 3, 1's place becomes 12. Now, subtract 5 from 12, we get 7. Then subtract 9 from 3, we can't subtract 9 from 3. So, borrow from the nearby places. 100's place becomes 2, 10's place becomes 13. Subtract 9 from 13, we get 4. Then subtract 1 from 2, we get 1. Now we get the other number is equal to 147. Have you understood, children? Example 2. What should be added to 756 to get 1300? I repeat, what should be added to 756 to get 1300? That means add 756 to unknown number, we get 1300. Okay. Students, we consider the empty box as unknown number. I repeat, what should be added to 756 to get 1300? In this problem, we have to find the unknown number. So, subtract 756 from 1300. That is, unknown number is equal to subtract 756 from 1300. Okay. Now subtract 756 from 1300. Now subtract the number 6 from 0. We can't subtract the number 6 from 0. So borrow from nearby place. The nearest place value is also 0. So we have to borrow from the next place. If we borrow 1 from the hundreds place, the hundreds place becomes 2, 10's place becomes 9, 1's place becomes 10. Now subtract 6 from 10, that is 4. Subtract 5 from 9, that is 4. Then subtract 7 from 2. We can't subtract the number 7 from 2. So borrow from nearby places. 1000 place becomes 0, 100's place become 12. Subtract 7 from 12, we get 5. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. Now we get 544. That is, unknown number is equal to 544. Now we get the answer is that unknown number is equal to 544. Have you understood, children? Example 3. What should be added to 17,526 to get 30,000? I repeat, what should be added to 17,526 to get 30,000? That means add 17,526 to unknown number, we get 30,000. Students, we consider the empty box as unknown number. Okay, I repeat, what should be added to 17,526 to get 30,000? Okay, in this problem we have to find the unknown number. So subtract 17,526 from 30,000. Unknown number is equal to 30,000 minus 17,526. Okay. Now subtract the number 17,526 from 30,000. Write the number column wise. Students, can you subtract 6 from 0? No, we can't subtract 6 from 0. So we have to borrow from the nearest place value. The nearest place value is also 0. So we have to borrow from the next place value. The next place value is also 0. So we have to borrow from the 1000 place. The 1000 place value is also 0. So we have to borrow from the 10,000 place. If we borrow 1 from 10,000 place, 10,000 place value becomes 2. 1000 place becomes 9. Hundreds place becomes 9. Tens place becomes 9. Ones place becomes 10. Now subtract 6 from 10. We get 4. Then subtract 2 from 9. We get 7. Then subtract 5 from 9. We get 4. Then subtract 7 from 9. We get 2. Then subtract 1 from 2. We get 1. We get the answer 12,474. Unknown number is equal to 12,474. Answer is unknown number is equal to 12,474. Is it clear, children? Students, hope you have understood the lesson. Do the given assignment. Thank you, students.